Mom and Sir. I am Marisa B. Bumbalis, 44 years old. I live here in Dakdak, Rapu-Rapu, Albay, Philippines. I currently live here in Tansa, Cavite. I am a single mother of 4 children, ages 22, 20, 16, and 4 years old. I have been worked abroad as a domestic helper, 3 years in Kuwait, 3 years in Saudi. All of that are finished contract. Extension 1 year. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, and washing the clothes. And also, I tutoring the children. Aside of that, if I had a free time, we play with the children. We do like dancing, singing, and exercising. As long as the children are happy, I'm happy too. So Mom and Sir, if you select me as your helper, I do promise that I will do my best and I will do my duties and responsibilities. So that's all, Mom and Sir. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.